Welcome to our introduction on economic evaluation in public health. Economic evaluation is a crucial tool in public health. It's a comparative analysis of the costs and outcomes of different interventions. The goal? To inform resource allocation and improve efficiency in healthcare. Imagine a balance scale. On one side, we have the money spent, on the other, the health outcomes achieved. Economic evaluation helps us ensure that the scale is balanced, maximizing health benefits for every dollar spent. When conducting an economic evaluation, we can perform either a partial or full analysis. A partial evaluation only looks at one intervention, while a full evaluation compares multiple interventions. Here's an example of a cost-benefit analysis, one type of economic evaluation. In this example, the benefits of $140 billion outweigh the costs of $6 billion, resulting in a net benefit of $134 billion. To summarize, economic evaluation compares costs and outcomes of interventions, informs resource allocation decisions, and aims to maximize health benefits per dollar spent. This critical tool helps decision makers choose the most efficient and effective health interventions. In economic evaluation, accurately determining costs is the essential foundation. We categorize costs into direct and indirect costs. Direct costs are directly attributed to the intervention, such as medications, staff time, and supplies. Indirect costs include productivity losses and secondary effects. When determining costs, we must consider different perspectives. The healthcare provider perspective looks at costs of providing services. The patient perspective considers costs of accessing care. The societal perspective includes costs incurred by all parties. To accurately capture all costs, we track resource use throughout the entire patient journey or intervention process. This includes staff time, equipment usage, medications, and facilities at each step. Once we understand individual costs, we can perform a budget impact analysis. This examines how implementing an intervention affects the overall healthcare budget by comparing the current situation to the projected new situation. To summarize, effective costing requires comprehensiveness, considering the right perspective, accounting for the timing of costs, and maintaining transparency in methodology. The ingredients approach is a systematic method used in economic evaluation to identify all resources needed for a health intervention. This approach involves meticulously listing every resource used in an intervention and assigning a unit